Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. So these days we see vehicles here and there with fluid leaks, whether it be an engine oil leak, a transmission leak, a power steering leak. Different fluids can cause different kinds of messes. And obviously, as a leak gets larger, it creates a lot bigger problem for folks. The problem that we do see these days is often these leaks aren't diagnosed properly, and it's a guess process that folks are using. At the West Automotive Group, we don't do it that way. There's only really one proper way to diagnose an engine oil, transmission leak, etc. Unless it's 100% visible quickly, what we tend to do is clean off the vehicle and add what's called oil dye. It's translucent dye inside the system. We run the system, and through the use of a special light and special goggles, you can actually see exactly where the tracer leak started from. This is the only way to diagnose these type of items. And without doing so, you're pretty much guessing. There are times that sometimes a vehicle has more than one leak, and you have to start with the higher leaks that you can verify and go from there. But to inspect properly is very important. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for the Automan Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.